Well, hello there, survivors. Side Hustle Survivalist here. I want to tell you a good little side hustle. Kind of a sticky situation here, folks. That's a pun, but I got a good one for you today. So if you're in the state of Oklahoma or Texas or even southern Kansas, I'm going to show you something that is the bane of everything around here that every farmer and rancher, people in the suburbs, cities hate, and that is this. It's called the Sandbur, and it is a pain in the you-know-what, mostly fingers. But I got a side hustle for you today because I heard of a person who was pretty inventive. He went and got him one of these type of sickles. It's a swing sickle, and you saw what I was doing there first, just like that. And he was getting $50 a bucket. If he'd go out, do these, and stick them in the bucket, $50 a bucket of cleaning up sandburs. Now you don't, reason being he didn't doing it with this, because you don't want to use a mower, because you spread them out and they're worse than rabbits. You have one sandbur, next year you'll have 10,000 sandburs in the same spot, then it covers your whole pasture. So here in Oklahoma, we have to deal with this all the time. Stickers, but down in Texas, they even have them bigger. They're called goat heads down in Texas. And those things will go through a leather shoe. Even if you're in the suburbs, the ditches up and down the street, people will see those. A lot of times the city workers don't get those. But what if you just walked up and down the street with your sickle in hand? Now hopefully they don't think you're Michael Myers or Freddy Krueger or something like that, carrying this around. But have the bucket. Oh, also, I don't have them with me, a good pair of gloves, because these things hurt and then they itch. But a great little side hustle, $50 a bucket. This guy went out and he did, I think, 2 hours worth of work, and he had 4 buckets full, $200. That's $100 an hour. That's not a bad side gig. So another one for you to kind of think of. Check around in your area. That's here for in the plains. I do know in the East Coast, one thing that you might look at doing is they have a problem out there is kudzu, I hear. If you can think of a side hustle way to go and get rid of kudzu, then so be it. Man, folks, you got to think outside the box. To get ahead, you got to hustle. That's why it's called a side hustle. You got to get out there. You got to grind at it. You got to get going. But hey, you guys are survivors. I know you're doing it. I hope to hear that you're making some good money on some side hustles. Go back and watch a lot of the video. I got over 200 videos on here of doing different side hustles. So go check them out because you can make some good money. I know some guys who are making $400, $500, $600 a day as a side hustle for a couple hours, 3-4 hours of work. So go check them out. Hit that like and subscribe button, and please share it also. And thanks for watching. God bless. A bucket.